नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, आई देवांग प्रजापति फ्रॉम उपनिषद साइंस एकेडमी लिमखेड़ा से। दोस्तों, आज रोज हम स्टैंडर्ड 12th इंग्लिश मीडियम के अंदर एक नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करूं उससे पहले आप सभी का मेरी ये यूट्यूब चैनल कि जिसका नाम है देवांग सर केमिस्ट्री के अंदर हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, आज जो हम बात करने जा रहे हैं वो है स्टैंडर्ड 12th इंग्लिश मीडियम चैप्टर नंबर 13 कि जिसका नाम है अमाइन कंपाउंड्स। उसका वीडियो नंबर 1 देखने जा रहे हैं कि जिसके अंदर दोस्तों आज का जो हमारा पूरा सेशन रहेगा वो रहने वाला है। सबसे पहले वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद द इंट्रोडक्टरी सेशन। आफ्टर द इंट्रोडक्टरी सेशन, व्हाट इज एमन कंपाउंड्स, and then the classification of amine compounds we are going to discuss in this video number 1. So let's get begin the video number 1. वीडियो को स्टार्ट करूं उससे पहले जो बच्चे चैनल में नए हो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर से कर देना दोस्तों, ताकि आपको नए वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। As you all are aware that all the chapters I used to start up with the tagline. So the tagline of this chapter is, you can read it over here. There are so many important compounds like medicines as well as the fibers. If you wanted to synthesize such compounds, then you need to study about the amine compounds. Why? Because they are the intermediate. So there are two types of the goal to study this particular chapter. One is the short term goal by which you can achieve a good marks in your board examination as well as the other competitive exams, whereas the second and long term goal, as a science student we should aware about how medicine and fiber is formed. So for the same we need to study this particular chapter. So let's begin the journey of amine compounds. Now the introduction of this particular chapter. As the amine is a derivatives of the ammonia, amines constitute an important class of inorganic compounds which are derived by replacing. Suppose here we have taken the example of ammonia, that is NH3. Now if you replace one of the hydrogen with R, that is alkyl, then you will be getting the primary amine. Still if you replace the second hydrogen with one more R group, alkyl or aryl group, then you will be getting secondary amine, 2-degree amine. And then still if you replace the one more hydrogen, that is third hydrogen of ammonia with alkyl or aryl group, then you will be getting the tertiary amine. Okay, so overall the amine will be prepared from the ammonia. If you replace one hydrogen with alkyl or aryl, primary amine. With two, then secondary, with 3 then tertiary. Okay. In nature, they occur among proteins, vitamins, alkaloids, and hormones in natural form. Whereas the synthetic example, they include polymers, dyestuffs, and drugs, means medicines. There are two biologically active compounds, namely adrenaline. One, the name is, here the structure which you are seeing, that is adrenaline, and the second is ephedrine. Okay, both containing secondary amine group. Both of them, they are having this NH, secondary amine, which are used to increase blood pressure. Both these medicines, they are used to increase blood pressure. Okay, adrenaline as well as the ephedrine. Another synthetic example, it include the name, that is Novocaine. Okay, a synthetic amino compound is used as an anesthetic in dentistry. Okay, doctors, they utilize this, used as an anesthetic agent. Okay, in case of the dentist. After that, we have one more example, that is Benadryl. Okay, a well-known anesthetic and antihistaminic. Which kind? It is the antihistaminic. The structure you can see. Okay, this is also the medicine, or you can also call it as a drug, okay, which contain tertiary amino group. This nitrogen is linked with 1, 2 and 3 carbon. So that's why it is having the tertiary amine group. Okay. Now, quaternary ammonium salts are used as surfactants. In case of the surfactants, you will be having the detergents as well as the soap. Diazonium salts are intermediates in the preparation of variety of aromatic compounds including dyes. Okay. Now, in this unit, you will learn about the amines and diazonium salts. So this is what the introductory portion of this chapter. Now, what is amine compounds? Amines can be considered as a derivatives of ammonia. Okay, just now we have done it before few slides. Suppose you have this NH3. Okay. Now, if you replace one of the hydrogen of this NH3 by methyl or phenyl ring, then you will be getting the primary amine. Okay. Now, suppose if you replace one more hydrogen with the alkyl or aryl group, then you will be getting secondary amine, where this nitrogen is linked with 1 and 2 carbon. Still, if you replace one more hydrogen from ammonia, then you will be getting tertiary amine, where the nitrogen is linked with 1 carbon, 2 carbon and 3 carbon. So this is what the overall explanation of amine compounds. Okay. Now after that, the first topic, that is the structure of amines. So let us discuss it about. Like ammonia, nitrogen atom of amine is trivalent and carries an unsaid pair of electrons, which are non-bonding electrons. Nitrogen orbitals in amines are therefore sp3 hybridized, and the geometry of amine is pyramidal. अमाइन का ज्योमेट्री, उनका शेप कैसा होता है, दैट इज द पिरामिडल. सो दिस, ये आपको एमसीक्यू के तौर पे दोस्तों पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, ईच ऑफ द 3 sp3 hybridized orbitals of nitrogen overlap with the orbitals of the hydrogen or carbon depending upon the composition of the amines. अमाइंस के साथ कौन कौन जुड़ा है उसके ऊपर से वो डिसाइड होता है. The fourth orbital of nitrogen in all amines contains an unsaid pair of electrons. Due to the presence of unsaid pair of electrons, the angle carbon, nitrogen, and E stands for any element, is less than 109.5 degree. For instance, it is 108 degree in case of trimethylamine. Now, let me show all these points in case of the diagram of trimethylamine. Yes, the nitrogen will be at the center. Unsaid electron pair, as we have discussed about, then 1 methyl, 2nd methyl and 3rd methyl. Okay, the bond angle of carbon, nitrogen and any element, it would be, in case of this pyramidal shape of trimethylamine, the bond angle is 108 degree. Okay, and the shape or the geometrical shape of this compound, that is trimethylamine, is pyramidal shape. Okay, and there is a presence of unsaid electron pair. So this is what the structure of amines. Now the next topic, that is the classification, that is 13.2. So amines are classified as primary, that is 1 degree, secondary, that is 2 degree, and tertiary, that is 3 degree, depending upon the number of hydrogen atoms replaced by alkyl or aryl groups in case of ammonia. So now let us discuss all this by the examples. Suppose you have primary amine. So in case of primary amine, अमोनिया में से आपको एक हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करना है. There one of the hydrogen we have replaced either with alkyl or aryl group and then nitrogen, and you will be having two hydrogen at that place. So RNH2 or ARNH2, that is an example of primary amine, where only one hydrogen from ammonia you have replaced. Now in same case, suppose you have secondary amine. So in case of secondary amine, from ammonia you need to replace two hydrogen atom. So nitrogen, one hydrogen will be there with it, alkyl or aryl, and then in same manner you will be having one more alkyl or aryl. So this is an example of secondary amine. Now tertiary amine. Nitrogen is linked with three different or maybe same alkyl or aryl group, one group, then two group and three group. Okay, so these are the classifications of primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. You can take the example of it, CH3 NH2. Then here NH, one side CH3, another side CH3. Here just now we have taken in the case of structure of amine. Same example will be considering over here. CH3, one more CH3, one more CH3. Okay. So this is an example of primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Now same thing will be continuing in this slide also. Primary amine, if you replace one of the hydrogen, only replacement of one hydrogen from ammonia, then you will be getting primary amine. Still from this, if you replace one more hydrogen, then you will be getting by alkyl group itself, then you will be getting the secondary amine. Okay, one more hydrogen if you replace it there either with alkyl or aryl, then you will be getting tertiary amine. Okay, now simple amines. What are the simple amines? When all the alkyl or aryl groups are the same, okay, then it is considered to be the simple amines. Let me give you the example. Suppose in case of the simple amines, one side are in between NH, another side are. Now here if you see, it is a symmetrical, both the side, whatever the alkyl groups or the aryl groups which you have taken, it should be the same. then it is considered to be the simple amines. Like we will take example CH3 NH CH3. One more, suppose one benzene ring NH, another benzene ring. Still one more, C2H5 NH C2H5. This is simple amines when all the alkyl or aryl groups are the same. But suppose you have mixed amines also when all the alkyl or aryl groups are the different. Suppose one side you have CH3, another side you have CH3 CH2. So here you have methyl group, whereas on the left hand side you have ethyl group. Now in same manner one more example we will be taking. On right hand side you have benzene ring, on left hand side you have methyl group. Okay, so this is an example of mixed amines. That's all. We'll be keeping it till here. Any doubts are there, then you can contact me by commenting on this video. वीडियो कैसा लगा वो ज़रूर से बताइएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके कमेंट करके। जो बच्चे चैनल में नए हो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर से कर देना दोस्तों, ताकि आपको नए वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। ओके, बाय, थैंक यू।